You can still see my hairline is really kind of pink.
It's your girl, Jackie Ina. Check it.
Hey guys, welcome back to Michael's Opinion, where I give my opinion and you leave yours below in the comments. So I am doing a follow-up video sort of to the hair doc video that I posted before. Also taking a review on some Shea Moisture products. Honestly, I'll be totally honest, I have used the shampoo, the conditioner, and the hair milk, but I have not used the mask.
Hold up, wait a minute.
Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to engage with you guys engage with me, and we can all just be one big happy family.
I love you, you love me.
It's the Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask with African Rock Fig, and I'm not even gonna say what kind of oil it is. You can look it up and pronounce it yourself.
Littering!
It smells freaking amazing. Of course, it comes with a little protective cap because you know people like to dip in the store.
Coronavirus!
Super thick. Do I want to try it? Ooh. So there's actually an app that I just found out. It's called Think Dirty. So this app is for like your shopping. My lips are really chapped.
Disgusting!
You do have to log in to get like all the features. Let's see, I'm gonna type in Shea Moisture. And I don't even, how do you say that? Shea Moisture, Manuka. Okay, so I'm just gonna type in Manuka and see what products they show up. So actually, this is really bad. This body butter, so you see these numbers, there's like the 3 and you see the 8 here. That 3 is good, all the green is good, the red is bad. So this Shea body butter is one of the bad products. So it looks like, gives you a disclosure, but it looks like the fragrance in that product is bad. I'm gonna tap on it. So you'll see it gives you a good background of the health impacts, what it's used for, the explanation, and then also gives you the sources. So this app can be really helpful. Like if you have really sensitive skin or you're really sensitive to different products and ingredients, definitely recommend this app. I got this from another YouTuber. I can't remember their name, so I can't give them credit, but you know. This is the conditioner that I have. This conditioner, so everything looks good. At the top it says clean, 5 stars, 100%. We're all good. Here's the intensive hydration mask, 5 stars, all in the green, no red, not even a yellow with a half bad, like a half clean, half dirty. So we're all good here. Sorry if I'm jumping all over the place.
And please forgive me because I'm a little bit, yeah. Oh my goodness.
Stay hydrated. All this is in the green. So we've got the mask, the conditioner. Here's the shampoo. Okay, so the shampoo looks like it has 3.7 stars instead of 5. But the ingredients rated by the app are still all in the green. I'm not gonna go through all of the ingredients. If you want me to, I will list them in the comments or the description. I'll update that. Let me know below in the comments and I will do so. Only thing I don't see is the hair milk, but that's okay. I'm still gonna use it anyway. I'm also just waking up from a nap, so forgive me. It's been like 7 days. I got my hair done last weekend on Sunday, so it's been 7 days to Sunday, and today is Monday night. I'm just gonna take my hat off and let you guys see. This is after 8 days really. This is after 8 days of rain. Work, going out. And it's still intact. Now I haven't done anything to it. I haven't put any products in it at all, like no oils, no nothing. So my scalp is super dry. This is it. I scalp is so dry. It's been itching like insane. I'm going to get in the shower. Alright y'all, so business as usual. I'm taking a shower. I'm gonna use this shampoo, the intensive hydration shampoo that's with the line, and as you can see, my hair is already reverting back to its natural curl pattern, and I haven't even put product on all my hair. Of course, I like a lot of product, as we know. I want to make sure I can detangle while I'm washing my hair. I'm gonna rinse that shampoo out. I think I shampooed twice just to get all the built up oils in there. I wanted to make sure to put the hair mask in there because, like I said, it's been a whole week. You can see the consistency of the hair mask right here. It's pretty thick and creamy, but it's also kind of dry. If you're looking for slip in this hair mask, it is non-existent. So I'm just gonna wrap my hair up, make sure to put it in this plastic cap to let it sit for about 30 minutes. I think I let it in there for about 45. You can see the heat from my head. And we're going to use the hydration conditioner. That stuff is also pretty thick. This whole line doesn't really have any type of slip. That's a product of how this line is formulated, which I've realized.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Rinsing out that conditioner. And just to give a little look at my curl pattern. Next, we're gonna go in with the leave-in hair milk. This hair milk is so thick, so just take that cap off, and you have to literally squeeze the bottle to get it out, and it doesn't even come out like it's in a solid form. Which is, I mean, it's cool, but of course it smells awesome. The whole line smells really, really good. There will be an updated routine, like a wash day routine, and probably like a wash and go situation, because as you can see, my hair is not detangled at all. There's no definition, and that's purely on my fault because I didn't detangle it. I just washed it, ran my fingers through it, didn't use a comb at all. So bad technique, don't follow that.
Like, what is you doing?
Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair up in this bun. It's just something that's quick and easy. As you can see, my hair is juicy wet with the replay. And there we have it. That's the rough draft of the bun. You can see the redness around my hairline. It's a little bit pink and red. That is a result of using this product line. It's usually not like that, and it's not because I'm light skinned.
Calm down.
But yeah, that's not normal for me to have my hairline that pink or red around my hairline. Of course, I'm gonna go in with the Extreme Professional Gel. It's what I always use. I love it, and it smells good. It doesn't flake at all for me. So just get those edges, get the hair up at the top so it'll lay down. I try to get a close-up so you can see, like me, the brush down side compared to not brushing it down. And then this is the final product before I put on the bonnet. You can still see my hairline is really, really kind of pink. Yeah, but that's it. Put the bonnet on, go to sleep, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.